Welcome back to All About LIBS. In today's episode, we're going to talk about two aluminum alloys, 7050 and 7075. Let's get right into it. Let's start with 7050. 7050 is an aerospace grade, and this grade is a little bit more machinable and can be made in thicker sections than 7075. That makes it pretty desirable. So, the difference is here, we've got a little bit higher copper in this alloy, and also, if you notice, we picked up a little bit of zirconium. That's an intentional addition. Let's take a look at 7075. This is also an aerospace alloy. It's a little bit stronger than 7050. There we go. And if you'll notice, the copper's a little bit lower in this one. We don't have zirconium, but the chrome has an intentional aim. That's definitely different. 7050 and 7075 are two aerospace alloys that are easily sortable with handheld LIBS. Thanks again for tuning in this week. We'll see you next week.